This 5-minute solution will show you how to add send message messenger button on Facebook post. You will be able to add send message button in your Facebook page post. So as you can see right now, I'm in my post, and now let's create a dummy post here. And now to add send message button to this post, clicking on this three dot, and here clicking on get messages, and here we can see the preview. Now let's post these, and here we can see the post has been published, and here we can see the send message button. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.